Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to talk about very important topic of number system, which is decimal presentation to the fractional presentation, means in the form of P by Q. Okay, so let's start the topic, but before starting the questions you must understand some basic things. For that, for example, try to observe these numbers. Okay, 2.1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3, like that, and then another number can be 1.55555 and so on, and third number can be 3.2773733, like that. Okay, now what's the difference in all these three numbers? You can see there is a pattern after decimal point, it's okay, but what's the difference? Difference is, in the first example you can see two digits after decimal numbers are repeating itself. Yes, two digits means 13131313. So how can you represent this number? This number can also be written as 2.13 bar. Okay, so whatever line you will have, for example here line is on 1 3, it means 1 3 both numbers are repeating itself. Okay, now in the second example, if you see, just only one digit is repeating. Yes, 555, so one digit is repeating. So how you will write it in the form of bar? It will be 1.5 bar. Okay, now here you see two digits are repeating, 737373, but here is a digit after decimal point which is not repeating itself. So we will see in the last of this video that how to deal with such numbers, but here also two digits are repeating. And how you will write this as in the form of bar? You will write it as 3.273 bar. Okay, like this you can solve the questions. So how to deal with such numbers, we will see all the things in detail. So we are going to start with the question where only one digit will repeat. Okay, so question can be, write the decimal, say for example 7.2222 and so on, in the form of P by Q. Okay, or they can say write 7.2 bar in the form of P by Q, meaning will remain same. Okay, maybe question will be like this or question will be like this. It's okay, it will remain the same, and method is very easy. Try to understand this. What we'll do here, we'll assume let x is equal to 7.2 bar, means x is equal to 7.2222 and so on. Okay, now how many digits are repeating after decimal point? Just one digit is repeating. Yes, so if one digit is repeating, then what you will do here? Multiply both sides by 10. Multiply both sides by 10. My dear students, when you see such videos, then what you will do? After this step, you pause the video. Okay, like I write here, multiply both sides by 10. So just to check your calculation, pause the video and write it yourself. Okay, by this your mathematics will be very good. So x multiplied by 10 means 10x plus, here if you multiply by 10 in the right hand side, so decimal point will be shifted to 1.1 place to the right. So it will become 72.2222 and so on. Okay, so this is equation number 2 and the first one was equation number 1. So write equation number 1 again down to this number 2 again. Here I am writing. So x is equal to 7.2222 and so on. So this was equation number 1. So what we will do now? We will subtract it. Okay, and by subtraction what you will get here? Minus, it will become minus. So 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to, see after decimal point we have same thing. Yes, 2 2 2 and down also the same. So it will be cancelled. 72 minus 7, it will be 65. Yes or no? So x is equal to 65 over 9. Can we simplify this? I don't think so. So this will be the final answer. Okay, hope you understood this thing. Now we will see the question where two digits will repeat itself. Okay, after the decimal point you will have repetition of two digits. So for example, question can be, write, say for example this time I am taking 1.34 bar in the form of P by Q. Okay, now method will remain same, just this time you will multiply by 100 because two digits are repeating. Okay, so you can pause the video and try to solve it yourself and then match the answer. Okay, let x is equal to 1.343434 and so on. Why I have written this like? Because bar is on two digits 3 and 4, so it means 3434 will repeat itself. Okay, now after decimal point you can see two digits are repeating, so by which number you will multiply? You will multiply both sides by 100. Multiply both sides by 100. So what you will get here? You will get 100x equal to, so we are multiplying by 100, so it means two decimal places will be shifted to right. So it will be 134.343434 and so on, and the original equation right below this. So x is equal to 1.343434 and so on. Okay, now subtract it. So by subtraction what you will get? By subtraction you will get 100x minus x means 99x is equal to 134 minus 1. It will be 133. So x is equal to 133 over 99. Okay. If you can simplify, then you must simplify this, otherwise it will be the answer. Okay, I don't think that it will be simplified. Okay, now let's consider another category of the question where some digits after decimal point will not repeat. So write, this can be very important question for your exam. Write say for example 3.2131313 like this in the form of P by Q, or in the form of bar. How it will be written? It will be written like this: 3.213 bar. Bar will be only on 1 3. Okay, just be very careful in the exam. Okay, while reading the questions. Okay, so what I am going to do here, let x is equal to 3.2131313 and so on. Now first of all, the digit which is not repeated after decimal point must come to the left hand side of the decimal point. So only one digit is not repeating. So this is the additional step here we are going to do. Okay, this is the extra. So what we are going to do, only one digit is not repeating. So just multiply by 10. Okay, because only one digit is not repeating. So it will be 10x is equal to 32.13131313 and so on. Now we will follow the procedure what I have told you just before this question. Okay, so after decimal point how many digits are repeating? 2. So by which number you will multiply? You will multiply by 100. So multiply by 100. Okay, so what you will get here? 1000x equal to 3213.13131313, and below this original. Now this is the original equation. Okay, not the question. Now here is a common mistake what students do. They ask that, sir, can we multiply this original equation by 1000? Because you have done it two times. One time you multiply by 10 and another times you multiply by 100. So let's multiply it by 1000 together. Then answer is no, you cannot do this thing. Okay, because after the decimal point there should be only repeated numbers, not any other number. Okay, So 1 is the original equation. So write equation number 1 below this. So it will be 10x is equal to 32.13131313 and so on. This is equation number 1. Now as usual subtract it. Okay. So 1000 minus 10 is 990. X is equal to 3213 minus 32. So it will be 3 minus 2, 1, 11 minus 3, 8, 1, 3. Okay. So x is equal to, it will be 3181 over 990. Just check with the simplification. If you can simplify, then you must simplify. Only then you will get full marks. Okay. Otherwise, this will be the complete answer. So my dear students, this was really very important question for your exams, and definitely you will have one question from this lesson. Okay. And I am sure you understood the lesson. And if you think that such videos will help your knowledge, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.